this is Teacher Katie. Welcome back. I am doing some games, so I'm really excited. Thanks for popping in. This is just a nice, easy number line game. So I just wrote my number line at the bottom. It's 0 all the way to 20, but if you guys are not up to that, it's okay. Do 0 to 10, 0 to 5, whatever you're going for. What's cool is I have flashcards, and they have little tiny pictures on them, which is fun. And so the kids count them up, and so they'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then on their number line they would point out where number 7 is, and then they're like, oh, let's grab another one. So they're gonna grab this one, and they're gonna count up them, and they say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then they're gonna point to where 9 is on the number line. You can also get little coins or little Macala stones, maybe even little rocks, whatever you want to do, and put them on top of the numbers, and you could be like, oh, we've already done that number. So then you could just fill up the whole number line, however you want to play it. But it's pretty easy, pretty simple, and you can just do it from home, which is nice. Basically, you need a set of number cards or picture cards, and you can get those like at the dollar store or Target. All right, well, I will see you later. Have fun.